Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's Quick Tip. I'm Chris, and I'm here with Mike. Today, we'll be talking about how to improve your workflow efficiency in Ergosoft using the presets. So, Mike, quick scenario. I'm a print shop using Ergosoft, and I'm printing products that are all standardized sizes. The artwork I receive comes in at various dimensions. I need to apply scaling to these images or resizing in a way that makes it efficient for job layout. What can we do?
Sure, great question. I have an image here. I'm going to select it, and we're going to go in the Properties and Actions pane to Scale. What we're looking for is an image format preset right here. In the drop-down menu, you can see we have a bunch of industry standard sizes and boards and paper sizes in here available for you to use, or you can create your own. That's what we're going to do here. So click New, and it brings up our little box here. The very top here, we have size. If you click size, you can tell it a specific size that you want your image to be scaled to and limited to. So for instance, if you want something to be a certain width, you can put that in here. We're going to do that in just a moment. But the original size option is great for things like if you're designing artwork that is too large for your artboard. Illustrator has a limitation where you have a certain size you're limited to, but if you need something to be 500 inches wide, you can design it at 100 inches wide, which is a fifth scale, and then you can set this original size to be 500% scale, which would then make your final product be 100% of what it needs to be. So that's what this original size is used for. Maximum size would literally make your image the maximum width of your material. If you select size on the top here again, you have these fit and alignment options. All of these options here are for fitting your image within your constrained size. So for instance, if you do 20 by 20, it's going to fit your image into that size, or it's going to add margins to fit it, or it's going to crop the image to fit it. So that's what all of these options are down here for in the fit and alignment. And we also have rotate and mirror right here.
Excellent. And just real quick, so those international standards are also in that drop down for the various predefined document and media sizes that we have available.
Yes, thank you. Correct. So we're gonna create a preset here now. So on the top here, we click size, and then you have all your predefined sizes that you just mentioned, all the industry options here. And we're gonna make our own. We're just gonna make it limited to the width. We want the width to be 20 inches. So every image that imports with this preset is gonna be 20 inches wide. And that's all we're gonna change. So we're gonna click OK, and we're gonna give it a name. We'll call it 20-inch wide and hit OK. And now on the right here, I have image format preset. I have 20-inch wide selected, right? So if I click apply, you see it made my image 20 inches wide. So for instance, again, if I import that same image, it's 11 inches wide. I can then select that preset and hit apply, and it'll make it 20 inches wide. So it's great for changing sizes of your images to whatever your desired board size is.
Okay, very useful. Now, is there any option for me to automate this process so that any file I pull into Job Composer will automatically have that adjustment applied?
There is, yes. That's called an image preset. That's up here on the top, little drop down here. Let's create one real quick. Click this new image preset button, and you'll see image format, which is what we just created, right? That 20-inch is an image format preset. So we're going to turn this on, and all we have to do now, since we already created the preset, is select our 20-inch wide preset and hit OK. And then this is an image preset. I'm going to save this as just 20-inch, And let me show you another thing too, because what this automation is great for is if you have different sizes that you want to import quickly. So I have another preset I made with called 40-inch wide. So I'm going to do the same with that, right? We'll call it 40-inch. So now let's do a new job, and I have 40-inch selected. Let's say I want to import some images that all have to be 40 inches wide. I'm going to select my 40-inch images, and if I import all of them with my preset selected, they're going to all come in at 40 inches wide. And then if I change this to 20, I can go back and select my 20-inch images that need to be 20 inches wide when I print them, and they're all going to come in at 20 inches.
Outstanding. So very quick, very efficient, also very flexible. You have the ability to adjust all of the images to the same size, or you can apply different presets to different images in the same job. So great time saver.
Correct. All of these presets that we're talking about are in the preset manager, which we did cover in a previous video, so you can check that out. But I just wanted to show you the preset manager real fast.
Excellent. Very helpful as always, Mike. Thank you very much. And thanks for watching, everyone. Please contact us if you have any questions.